Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel. So today I am here with another vacancy, GET vacancies at ALPLA, Alpala India Private Limited. So this Alpala is a market leader in plastic packaging solutions, right? Plastic packaging solutions. So basically this particular vacancy is for the location of Pashimalaram. I don't know what to pronounce this, but this particular place in Telangana, right? So this is a full-time role, and now they have mentioned these things that what you will enjoy doing. So I'll read them out. So basically, they have mentioned the job description. So first is efficiency and downtime monitoring, shift planning, manpower planning and management, in-process quality control checks, identification and traceability management, handling of non-conforming product batch control, and effective material reconciliation, and keep of plant maintaining 5S at shop floor area, right. So basically all these are industrial rules, right. Change management and control QMS requirements also you will be fulfilling out. So these will be your roles as GET. So now here they have mentioned the eligibilities. So you should be a BTech graduate 2019, 20 or 21 pass out. That too in either mechanical, electrical or P&I and plastic engineering also, because basically this company is regarding plastic solutions only, so people from plastic engineering, they are also eligible for this. So now they have mentioned that people from premier institutes like IITs and ITs, VIT, DTU, BITS Pilani, they should apply. So basically, of course, if they have mentioned, they will be giving the priority to IITians and NITians and all these other colleges, means premier colleges also. But if you have relevant projects and internships in good companies, then no doubt that you will not be selected. Basically, you should have good GPA or good internship, right? It should be a big brand name. Basically they are chasing brand names only because it can be observed from here only. If they are giving priority to premier institutes, then obviously they will be giving priority to the internships from premier uh, industries, right? Or your project should be like, if you have published some research papers or you have filed a patent, then no doubt that you will be selected, right? So you should apply for this. Now next they have mentioned flexibility to work across any uh, Alpala location in India, right? So basically pan India, they have written that you will be posted across pan India, but initially you will be posted at that Telangana location only. They have mentioned this. Openness to work in any department allotted and in rotational shifts. So rotational shifts they have mentioned. So basically it's industrial and maintenance role only. So you will have shifts like it's 8 hours shift basically in all the industries. So you should be ready to work in rotational shifts, right? So now initially there will be 1 year of on-job training, right? A modern and family work environment, integration in dynamic team where new ideas and improvement suggestions are welcomed, challenging tasks with a high degree of self-responsibility. So these are basic things they have mentioned. Only this thing you need to note here. 1 year you will be posted as training, right? So now for applying, click on this apply button. So now you will be redirected to this page. So here they have written apply with your CV. So now from here you need to upload your resume, right? After uploading the resume, click on next step. I've uploaded any PDF which was available on my tab. So now this is the page will pop up, right? First is gender, first name, last name, nationality, so all the basic details. Then cover letter also, and I'll recommend you that do upload the cover letter. Star is not marked on the cover letter, but I recommend uploading cover letter also. You will be given preference, maybe. No need to take any chance. Your certifications also, which you have done, any other courses from Udemy, Coursera and all, right? Then employment. So now they have put star here, basically position, employer, start date, end date, and this star is mandatory. So now if you haven't done any like 2 or 6 months any job or something, you just write your internship position here. Here write intern, employer, name of the company, start date and end date. That's it. No need to upload anything if you don't have any. If you are fresher, you can apply because it is a GET vacancy. So they are asking this thing only, that you should upload your internship, right? Okay. Now, any other educational details which you are having, you should upload all these languages. Then possible start dates, salary expectations, don't upload this thing. I'll recommend as a GET, you should not upload your salary expectation amount. Then how to do, this is mandatory only. Notes, you can upload anything. Then submit application. So this was a very easy interface for applying for this particular company, right? Just fill this form and submit application. So this was from Alpla. So do apply for this, and thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe if you want further such videos. So thank you.